How to download Alight Motion on PC. So if you want to download Alight Motion on PC, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you can simply go with search and search for Alight Motion download. Once you've searched, you need to go with the first search, which is alightmotionpc.com. And here, if you scroll down, you'll get this kind of interface from where you have the download Alight Motion button. If you want to download it directly, you can simply go with download Alight Motion, but you can also have another option, which is BlueStacks. So if you have BlueStacks downloaded on your device, then you can simply open up your BlueStacks and you can download it from there. You can simply open up your BlueStacks and go with the search, and under search, you can search for Alight Motion, and here you will get the application. You can simply click on install from Google Play, and you'll have an install button from where you'll be able to install it. So that's how you can install or download Alight Motion on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.